Are you looking for a new and exciting way to earn money on YouTube? Look no further than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model that can help you create content quickly and easily. By using ChatGPT's script writing capabilities, you can create engaging and informative videos that will keep your audience coming back for more. But how do you get started with ChatGPT? It's easy. Simply log into the ChatGPT website and start generating scripts for your YouTube videos. ChatGPT can help you come up with ideas, craft compelling storylines, and even provide suggestions for visuals and sound effects. Once you have your script, it's time to bring it to life with Pictory. Pictory is a platform that allows you to create amazing visuals for your videos, even if you don't have any graphic design experience. With Pictory, you can create animations, illustrations, and even infographics that will help you get your message across to your audience. So, how can you earn money with ChatGPT and Pictory? There are a few different ways. First, you can monetize your YouTube channel with ads. The more views your videos get, the more money you can earn from advertising revenue. Second, you can use your videos to promote your own products or services, or to promote affiliate products. By including links in your video descriptions, you can earn a commission on any sales that result from your videos. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for ChatGPT and start creating amazing videos that will help you earn money on YouTube. Let me show you how you can create content with ChatGPT and how to make video with Pictory. Follow my steps and stay with me. We have generated script from ChatGPT for YouTube video. I have already copied script from ChatGPT and now I will show you how to make video with Pictory.ai. First sign up with Pictory.ai and verify your email. After verification of email, you can see this dashboard. Just see my steps how I generate video from this script. Finally, our video is ready. You can do more modification if you buy Pictory paid version, but even with free version, you can do almost everything and it will have watermark. So simply download video and upload on YouTube and other monetizing platforms so as more views is more money. Thank you for watching this video and share your thoughts in comments.